Navagraha Puja. Nava indicates 9, while Graha indicates planets. As per Vedic astrology, there are 9 planets that impact our lifestyles. The position of planets at the time of human birth will have influence on his actions and reaction to different situations in his life. Every life as it has its ups and downs. If there is improper planetary alignment for an individual, it is called as dosha or negative influence. Due to these Navagraha doshas, people fall into depressions and certain low moods. This slow period may last for some period based on the power of planet. However, this can be avoided with intelligence and proper guidance. Navagraha Puja will guide you the procedure to cure all these graha issues. This website is working in the area of astrology for the last many decades, dealing with the variety of solutions. We have efficiently managed the respect and reliable connections with the customers at nationwide as well as the worldwide level from the last many years. With the skills, informations of relevant areas like numerology, vastu, horoscope in astrology, we try to reveal the secrets of upcoming, thus providing simply alternatives to your problems. Kuber Yantra. Kuber is the god of wealth and God's treasurer. He is also called the god of yakshas, nothing but savage beings. Kuber is the actual god of riches in the Indian pantheon, Lakshmi being the goddess of fortune, of which money is a great part. Sampurna Vastu Dosh Nivaran Yantra. Vastu Shastra is science which helps us to achieve materialistic prosperity, mental peace, happiness and harmony at home and at workplace. Vastu harness the various energies present around us in a particular pattern so that they blend harmoniously. Havan Kund. It is a small Havan Kund made up of clay as a base and 15 Yagni Kunds made up of chandan powder. It contains pure 21 aromatic herbs, a perfect, healthy alternative to dhub used for religious purposes. Ojasvi Daily Yagna is carbon free, healthy to inhale, and a healer by itself. If you will give this product along with your valuable consultation, it will speak volumes about you and your pure thoughts, perhaps enhancing your ambience with its aromaticity, healing properties. Ojasvi Daily Yagna is a thoughtful gift. Allow the natural herbal elements of Ojasvi Daily Yagna to enter your and others' life, enhance it, further the healing values. Dhanvantri Upasan Yantra. Lord Dhanvantri is the divine physician who brought with him the knowledge of health, long life and the medical arts. Lord Dhanvantri, the Vaidya Ratna, was one of the 14 Ratnas, nothing but the gems emerged from the ocean. Placing Dhanvantri's yantra is very beneficial in order to improve your health. Dash Mahavidya Mahayantra. Dash Mahavidya Mahayantra is a worship for the fulfillment of desires to become powerful, to attain all siddhis, and to attain the fourfold Parashastras. Buddhi Yantra. Buddha Yantra for knowledge and for intelligence. This yantra is used to appease the planet Buddha or Mercury. When Mercury is afflicted, the use of Mercury yantra is very beneficial and favorable. This yantra protects from fire and many natural elements. Brihaspati Yantra. Brihaspati Yantra for power and authority. This yantra for worship of Lord Jupiter is used to acquire all-round prosperity, power, rank, authority, abundance, wealth, business, and for strengthening a weak Jupiter in the horoscope. Bhuvaneshwari Yantra. To get power, Goddess Bhuvaneshwari is presiding deity of this yantra. Lord Rama had propitiated this goddess before defeating Ravana. This is worshipped to gain mesmerizing personality and power. Diseases, enemies, and everything will be out of our reach. Bagulamukhi Yantra. This yantra is used for destruction of enemies, whether they are visible or invisible. Method of use: place this yantra before you in a good muhurt and wear yellow clothes and recite Baglamukhi mantra 36,000 times. Akarshan Yantra. As you know, the word itself indicates attraction. Daily worship of this yantra increases magnetism and charm. Akarshan yantra can also be kept in the pocket of the shirt or in a purse wrapped in the red cloth. This gives the power to attract any desired person. Use of this yantra for 42 days without the fail will fulfill all your desires.